Dear students, very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about data communication concept in networking. So let's discuss what is mean by data communication. So transfer of data from one device to another via some form of transmission medium. So what are the transmission medium you know? We have two types of transmission medium, wire transmission medium, wireless transmission medium. So how data communication is occurred? Hi, how are you? We can split in this data. Hi, how are you? We have to send this data into bits format. 0101 as the bits format from sender to receiver. In between we have a transmission medium. So this is the concept of data communication. What are the components in data communication? Message, sender, receiver, medium, and protocol. These are the important components in data communication. Okay. How data is representation? A data communication system has five component. The one is the message. What is mean by message? Message is nothing but information, or we can call it as data. Okay, information to be communicated. It is called a message. Next one is the sender, device that sends the data message. It is called a sender. What is mean by receiver? It's also device that receives the data message. It's called a receiver. So next one is the medium. Medium means physical path by which a message travels from sender to receiver is called a medium. Next one is the protocol. Protocol is nothing but set of rules that govern data communication. So these are the important elements in the data communication. So we have a five important element. One is the message, sender, receiver, medium, protocol. What is mean by number? We have a 16-bit, 8-bit, 32-bit integer. Next one is the in flow text format is Unicode or ASCII. Image pattern is bit patterns, graphic format, jpg format, graphical interface format. Audio, samples of continuous signal is called audio. Sequence of bitmap images is called video. You have to know what is the real meaning of audio and video. The next one is the how data is represented. Data is represented in the form of pixel. Next one is the protocol. Protocol is the set of rules that govern data communication. We have a syntax, semantics, and timing. Format of the data block is called a syntax. Semantics means meaning of each section. Timing means speed, and sequencing is called timing. Standard organization is called creation committee, ISO, Indian Standard Organization, International Standard Organization, International Telecommunication Unit. Then forums and regulatory agencies are available. Networks, a network is nothing but set of devices or nodes connected by communication link. What is mean by distributed processing? Network uses distributed processing in which a task is divided among multiple computers. It is called distributed processing. What are the advantages of networks? It has a security and encapsulation, distributed databases, faster problem solving, security through redundancy, collaborative processing. These are the advantages of networks. Here we can see data communication criteria. We can split into three criteria: performance, reliability, and security. The next one is the performance. How performance is criteria wise. Transit time is amount of time required for the message to travel from one device to another. Transit time is the amount of time required from required for a message to travel one device to another. What is mean by response time is the time elapsed between inquiry and response. Performance depends on the number of factors including number of users, type of transmission medium, hardware and software. Performance depends upon transit time, response time. What is mean by reliability? Network reliability is measured by frequency of failure, recovery time of network after a failure. Network robustness is in a catastrophe. Network security include protecting data from unauthorized access and virus. It is called as security. We have to protect our network by means of security. Next important things is types of network based on transmission medium. We can split into configuration based on the topology, based on architecture, based on multiplexing methods, based on by means of size and scale, by structure slash functional relationship. These are the types of networks. The next important thing is transmission mode. Transmission mode is simplex, half duplex, full duplex. Transmission mode is classified into three types: simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. Let's discuss one by one what is mean by simplex. So simplex means the simplex mode can use the entire capacity of the channel to send data in one direction. Here in simplex method of communication, data is sent by means of only one direction from server to monitor. The next important thing, the direction of the data flow. We have a half duplex, both direction. In this example, data is communicated both direction from sender to receiver, receiver to sender, but not at a time. Example, real time example is walkie talkie. Direction of the data flow, it has a workstation direction of all data time. Okay, full duplex both directions simultaneously. It is a real time example is telephone. So we have a three types of data flow: simplex, half duplex, full duplex. Okay, the configuration, line of configuration, we have a point to point communication, multi point communication. Point to point communication connection provides a dedicated link between two devices. The entire capacity of the link is reserved for a transmission between those two devices. Point to point workstation, main link, mainframe and workstation link is connected. It is the point to point network. Point to multi point network. A multi point, also called a multi drop connection, is one in which more than two specific devices shared a single link. In this example, we can understand very clearly in a multi point environment, the capacity of the channel is shared either spatially or temporarily. So, thank you, students. I hope you understand the concept of data communication. Thank you all. Have a great day.